can be a spaceship, reaching for the sky. It just needs a little dreaming and doing fantasy. It's everything you want, everything. Welcome home. My shelter.